Ha? Sa man eh? TikTok trend self-introduction? Saon ka ni ba? Creative TikTok introduction? How do students introduce themselves creatively? The main question is, who exactly am I? Hi, I'm Joy Esperlia. You can call me Rex. I'm currently taking up third year Bachelor of Early Childhood Education at Central Mindanao University. I'm from Valencia City, Bukidnon, known as the City of Golden Harvest. My favorite color is blue, just like our house. Di klaro diha. If you're asking me, I have girlfriend. Next question, please. I love singing with my friends, doing TikToks and such. Here is my childhood hobby, which is the basketball. But I did and give my family the life they deserve. I will study hard, keep praying to God for guidance, and never stop chasing my dreams because I believe every rejection has a redirection.